Okay, the next question is the 13th question, and here there is given a condition that if see, there is a condition if 0 is less than a and a is less than c. Similarly, 0 is less than b and b is less than c. So actually what he's trying to say is all are positive numbers, and you have to remember only this, that a is less than c and b is less than c. Okay, a is less than c and b is less than c. That means a and b, relation between a and b can be anything, but both a comma b both are less than c. Okay, these both a and b are less than c. That is what we have to remember here. And let's see what's the next. Okay, let's see what he gave. Just a second. This pen is really giving a trouble. Yes, now it's then this integral value we have to find it out. Okay, this integral value we have to find it out. Now there are 4 options. What 10 options? Come on, these questions, very bad options. I don't even want to see those options. They are so terribly horrifying me. So let's go. This is the question, integral 0 to infinity. Oh my god, what is he thinking? Are we humans or human computers? Okay, let's see. Integral 0 to infinity a power x minus b power x by c power x dx. Okay, now if you see this properly, this is whole divided by, right? So we can divide it. Integral 0 to infinity a by c whole power x, right? Minus b by c whole power x. Okay, and this whole dx. Okay, can we write this like this? Of course we can write it. Now integral, wait, we will integrate it directly. Okay, it's how you integrate log a power x, that is a power x by log a. Similarly, think this is some variable, this total, as consider this total a by c and b by c as one variable. Okay, so then we'll get, after integrating, or I will write it separately, it will be clarified, or else unnecessary doubts will rise up. A by c whole power x dx minus integral 0 to infinity b by c whole power x dx. Ready? Now see here, like you integrate a power x, that is a power x by log a plus c, right? This is the integration formula. Same thing here. Okay, here in case of this small a, or let's take another, because there is an a here too, we will take another variable. Let's take it as m. Okay, m power x log. So here m is equal to a by c. Done. Instead of m we have a by c. Just substitute that in this formula. So we'll get a by c whole power x by log a by c. Okay, and this will be from limits 0 to infinity minus, there will be another which is b by c power x by log b by c. Yes, this is how you integrate it, and the limits are from 0 to infinity. Now when you substitute these limits, it will become, this is a This is a horror movie question, right? See how long it's going on. So when you substitute the upper limit, it's infinity, and log a by c, there is nothing to substitute again, and when you give it a power 0, it will become 1 by log a by c. Yes, and next you will take minus here, and b by c whole power infinity by log b by c. Okay, and this minus, there will be a power 0 here, that will become 1 by log b by c. Yes. So now if you see this carefully, there is a power something into infinities, power of infinities here and here, right? This and this. And when you remove the brackets here, it will become this, however, is a minus and this is a plus, right? So club these two together, and these two together. Okay, then you are going to get a by c whole power infinity divided by log a by c, and minus b by, oh, I'm sorry, my handwriting is very terrible right now, right? Just a second, I'll change it, just a second, my dear friends. Now, yes, now a by c power infinity by log a by c minus b by c power infinity by log b by c. Yes, we clubbed these both, and next we are gonna add something to this, right? The next part, which has only one, that is 1 by log b by c minus 1 by log a by c. Yes, log a by c has a negative sign, log a by c has a negative sign, and log b by c has a positive sign. That is what we wrote here. And now here the condition plays a very important role. If you miss the condition and don't remember it in the exam, if you forget the condition here, you are not going to go to the next step, and your time is going to be wasted, and so is your score. You will not get the score when you don't give the perfect answer, right? So here if you see, a is less than c, right? And b is also less than c. Yes, so when they are less than c, any number, see, like for example, let's take 2 by 3, okay, where 2 is less than 3, right? Denominator value is greater than numerator value, then you will get it approximately 0 point something, right? Similarly, when you take 5 and here 10, right, the exact value will be 0.5, right? Any value where denominator is greater than numerator, then your value is gonna be nearer to 0, right? So the same logic, if you apply here, it is always gonna be nearer to 0, hence you can ignore that value, right? You can ignore that. It's very close to 0, some 0 point something is gonna come. So if you remember these two which were given in the beginning of the question, these two conditions, if you remember, this will become 0, and that, see, this 0 power infinity, 0 if you multiply how many times, it will be 0, right? How many times you multiply 0, it will be 0. Or you can take, like, if 0.5 is multiplied by itself up to infinity times, then it's gonna be a highly negligible value, very small value. So you can neglect those values, okay? That is why any number which is approaching 0, right? Any number which is approaching 0 or near to 0 and it is multiplied infinite times to itself, or that number power infinity, is always gonna be 0. Similarly, this is also gonna approach 0. So here you'll get, this will become 0 by log a by c, 0 by log a by c. 0 minus 0 is always 0. So value of this is 0. Yes. So, and 0 plus this something is it. So that is gonna be your value. So your final answer will be 1 by log b by c minus 1 by log a by c. Okay, this is your final answer. 1 by log b by c minus 1 by log a by c, and that is because of this condition, and this, because of this condition, you'll get to write this statement. Just a second. Yeah, you'll get to write this statement, that is a by c whole power infinity is equal to b by c whole power infinity, which is equal to 0. Okay, because of these two conditions. Because of these two conditions, you are gonna get this condition, and because of this condition, you are gonna get your final answer, and this is your final answer. Now we have to find this in the options, right? 1 by log b by c minus 1 by log a by c. Oh my god, such a terrorizing question, right? 1 by log b by c. Yes, there is only one such option, that is option C. And if you see this, it should be, no, this is wrong, because when you reverse it, it will be c by b, but it's still b by c. So this option is wrong. This option is definitely wrong, because you cannot do this. And a by c, b by c, no, this is also wrong. So your perfect answer is this. Okay,